Hey guys, what's up? This is my last holiday tutorial. I added a couple of rhinestones just to be a little bit bougie. But if you would like to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So now I'm starting out with this Believe in Ivory concealer. And I'm just using it as an eye base. I'm just going to pat it from my lid up to my brow. Next I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette in the color Heat. I'm applying it just in my crease, I'm packing it, and then I'm going to blend it out. Next I'm going to put on the lid Fire. It's going to be this red color. She's being extra using the red. Why not? It's Christmas time, right? You can use red now. And I'm just blending it up with that Heat color. And under my brow, I'm going to put Pure. It's the shimmery champagne color just to give me a little bit of shimmer. Got too much matte going on. Need a little bit of shimmer in my life. Taking all this excess powder away. The best feeling. And I'm going with my Physicians Formula Healthy Skin bronzer. It's actually a powder, but I use it as a bronzer or a contour color. It's my favorite, my go-to, and I don't know when I'll stop using this because I just love it so much. And I'm contouring my nose with it. It's a real good, I like to use this color. It has a little more brown orange than a gray color. I feel like that color works better on me, but everybody is different, so just when you found that perfect shade, go for it, girl. Next I'm going in with the holiday bronzer, the MAC holiday bronzer, and we curl in our lashes before we apply this mascara in these lashes. This is False Lashes Waterproof by MAC, and the lashes that I'm using is 650 Salon Perfect lashes. They're my fave. I get so many compliments on it, and it's a definitely have. Definite have. Now I'm going at with my under eye. I'm starting out with Heat, just placing it under, and then I'm going to build on top of that with Fire, so it'll be parallel to our top lid. And in my inner corner, I'm just going in with Double Gleam, which is going to be my highlight color that I'm using. This is a MAC highlighter on my nose, on the tip of my nose, you know, all those same areas. And on my cheekbones. Look at her glow though. Eee. Next, she's really trying with these rhinestones. I actually got these in the craft section in Walmart, so I mean, like, go and try it out. I've seen so many tutorials or like pictures on Instagram. I'm just like, I have to be that girl. So I'm just applying them in random places. I'm putting in that white liner by MAC. I think it's called Fascinating. That's it. Yeah. She's looking like a peppermint, guys. Putting that same mascara on my lower lash to waterproof. I'm going in with Spice Lip Liner by MAC. Now I'm going in with Champagne Showers. This is a Covergirl liquid lip, and I'm just applying it on my lip. It's a beautiful nude color. And that is the look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was a little fast tutorial for y'all. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.